Okay, these are a little different. These are the Beeline PIX WW. Kind of the same concept, where you've got the diodes, the bigger ones, the A waters, and you've got some little ones behind them, little pixel diodes. You got a clear casing to display those. So it's like a 2-in-1 effect. And they do some interesting things. Right now, you're looking at the pixels inside of the clear gel casing doing their thing. But here in just a minute, you'll probably see diodes popping up. There you go, look at that, going through fog. It's like a beam effect.
199 map.
199 map. How many of these bars are we looking at up here?
6.
6 bars. It's a cool effect.
1 meter long.
They're 1 meter long each. And this is internal programming, right?
Right now, the warm white stuff is on a macro.
It's on a macro.
Yep.
Look at that. So you don't really have to DMX the heck out of these things. You can just set them and let them do something. Well, I know you like to DMX them.
Yeah.
But that's what you do. But I hate it. So I like it when I can just plug in and let them do stuff.
A lot of fun macros on standalone too.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's pretty cool. Brand new. Are they out now?
No, they were just first shown at the show this weekend, so it'll be a few months before they're out.
March, April. But they're cool. These are from Eliminator.
Yep.
I like that. Pretty look with the fog.